so we can watch TV also. Look. Wow, it's so amazing. My place is so amazing now. Wow. Wow, this is my place. Okay, let's grab this is my place, bro. Wow, it's so good. Okay, this our house that I live in the house. Yes, I need a lantern. Okay, let's go. Okay, what's next? Over there. So that thing is very pretty. Okay, let's continue our building so we can build already. Okay, there. Yeah.